Writing blogs with AI is the new anymore, but writing blogs that are well researched, authentic, and accurate, that's something most tools still can't do. Hi, I'm Jill from Gravity Write, and today we will see how to create such blogs with our new tool. So, without any further ado, let's get started. We will create our blog using the Easy Blog Writer tool. The speciality of this tool is that it allows you to do a real-time search, plan your structure, and have more control over your blog writing. So let's see how it works. Just go to gravitywrite.com. In the sidebar, click on AI Blog Writer. Then click on Easy Blog Writer. You will be taken to AI Blog Writer version 2. Here, enter your blog title. Then select whether you want to enable the web search or not. If you want to have a real-time web search, you can select Enable. Next, you get an option to select the number of headings you need in the blog. You can have up to 10 headings, so let's just select. If you want to add keywords manually, you can do that as well. Select this checkbox and enter your keywords here like this. Before we create the outline, we have some additional settings that we can do. For this, click on the settings icon here. Select the language in which you want the blog to be generated. We have 30 plus language options to choose from. Then, select the words you want to generate in each section. We have very long, that is 3000 words per section, to just one paragraph of 50 words per section. So based on how long you want the blog to be, you can select words per section accordingly. Keep images option enabled so that our blog includes images. Then choose the image model and the quality of image. Select the aspect ratio for images. At last, keep the Customize Blog Outline Manually option enabled. Now, let's click on Create Outline. And in few seconds, our outline is ready. As you can see, a thorough outline is generated, and as we kept the web search enabled, we have also got the source links listed. If you want, you can check them. At this step, you can manually edit everything from the title of the blog to the headings and the points in the sections. You can even add your own section manually. Just enter the outline title, then click on Add a Headline. Then enter the points you want to include in this section. Once you are happy with the outline, click on Continue with this outline. You can see the entire blog content is generated in few minutes. Each section includes more than one image, and the image that is generated is based on the content of that particular section. This makes the blog more relevant. Also, you will notice external links related to your blog are included. This makes your blog much more structured. On the left side, there is an outline box from where you can reorder the section like this. Then select on a particular section and then make edits if you want. You can manually edit each section like this. If you feel the blog is incomplete and want to add more sections, that is also possible. Just click on Add Outline, enter the headings and the subheadings. Then click on Save and Continue. The new section will be generated for you. Awesome, right? Once all edits are made, click on Preview to see how your entire blog looks put all together. The last step is to export the blog. For that, click on Export. You get 5 options to export. You can either copy the blog and directly paste it to your website, or you can download the blog as PDF, TXT, or in document format. This way, you can use the blog content as an ebook as well. Last and the most effective option is to export directly to your WordPress website. For this, click on Export to WordPress. Your domain name will appear here. If you have not connected your WordPress website with Gravity Write, watch this video to see how. Then edit the title if you want and select the status as published. In a few seconds, you will get your blog post URL. Click on it, and as you can see, our blog is successfully published. That's it. This is how you can easily write blogs with Gravity Write's Easy Blog Writer tool. From researching your content in real time to customizing every section, this tool gives you complete control over your blog creation process. So go ahead, try it out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Gravity Write for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.